Hey, it's Henry. So let's talk about something really big. Probably the biggest shift in online marketing since funnels and coaching blew up a few years back. I mean, you remember that run, right? Master Resell Rights program, coaching masterminds, high ticket courses, and all the hype. Yeah, people made crazy money. Some went from zero to six, even seven figures really, really fast. But here's the thing. Remember that wave? That wave is kind of saturated now. People are smarter, tired of the hype, and trust isn't as easy to earn anymore. Okay? But you see, right now, there's a brand new wave building, and you're still early enough to jump on it. Okay? I'm talking about AI powered marketing and how it's about to blow up into $100 billion industry. Okay. The last few years, we saw people crushing it with digital products and resale rights, earning 100% commission, building communities, running coaching programs, and it worked. Okay. But now, everyone promoting the same 10 programs, using the same hooks, same bonuses, and it's noisy. And that's why AI is such a game changer. Okay. Generative AI is mainstream now. But here's the crazy part. Almost nobody in the biz op make money online space is teaching how you can actually use it to build content, multiply leads, run smarter campaigns. Even though AI is already replacing whole teams of writers, editors, and VAs. Heck, it's even replacing some sales executives and customer service reps. So here's the opportunity. Become that person who actually knows how to use these tools. Okay? But here's the other cool part. Courses and coaching have always been great. But let's be real. Courses are static. You watch a bunch of videos, take notes, and hope you figure it out. AI coaches, they're interact AI coaches, they're interactive 24/7, built to guide you step by step. Need content? They'll write it. Need help? They'll answer it immediately. It's like having a personal assistant and a mentor right in your pocket. And that's where learning is heading. Real time help, not just a bunch of info dumps. And it's not just about learning, it's about systems. Funnels used to be the edge, right? Then email sequences, then tripwires. Now the edge is AI powered smart systems. What's that mean? Well, rule based AI that decides commissions based on user behavior. AI agents that literally help close sales live on the sales page. AI twins that can answer your DMs and lead prospects into becoming paying customers. Tools that amplify your exposure and conversions. This isn't just automation, this is amplification. Okay? Look, Russell Brunson made funnels famous. People who mastered ClickFunnels built entire 7 and 8 figure businesses. We're in the same kind of shift right now, but much, much bigger. Because the people who figure out AI powered marketing, how to prompt, automate, and scale content, they're going to be the new digital leaders. Okay. The skill set that lets you build the brand faster, launch a product quicker, earn while you learn. And so here's where you stand. You're not late, you're not behind, you're early. If you take action now, you're early if you take action now. Okay? Learn the tools, use the systems, partner with a platform that already integrate AI, leverage, and training. And if you want a shortcut, guess what? Check the link in the description. I built a system that helps you learn while you earn with AI coaches, built in content prompts, traffic training, and commissions all in one place. Now, we're still in beta, but the wave is rising. So don't miss this one. Okay? So, why don't you do this? Like and subscribe and follow for more breakdowns on AI, digital marketing, and building a smarter online income. Go ahead, make sure that you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I have new videos coming up. See you in the next video.